anemia? Do you know someone who does? Have you been suffering from dizziness and weakness? Have you seen your test results and found that you have a lack of iron in your body? In this case, it is generally recommended to include iron-rich foods in your diet, which are usually dark in color, such as beets, plums, black beans, and even chocolate. Anemia symptoms include weakness, fatigue, pale skin, among others. By adding this juice to your diet, anemia symptoms tend to disappear, immunity increases, and blood is purified. Vegetable juices with green leafy vegetables and citrus fruits, for example, are excellent for anemia treatment. Enjoying the video? Then give it a like and share it with your friends. You can also contribute to the channel through the thanks button. Don't forget to subscribe to be notified of any new videos. Now, let's learn how to prepare a juice with chard and lemon to fight anemia naturally. Write down the ingredients. Chard leaves, juice of 1 freshly squeezed lemon, 1 teaspoon of honey, 1 glass of water. Wash the chard leaves well, put them in a blender, add honey, lemon juice, water, and blend well. Drink immediately after preparation without straining. This juice works because chard is a vegetable rich in iron, vitamins, and minerals, and therefore helps in the treatment of anemia. It also strengthens the immune system and improves blood vessel dilation. Lemon is ideal for preventing anemia, reducing fatigue, headaches, and dizziness, all caused by the lack of this mineral. And honey contains a high content of iron and therefore helps prevent and fight anemia, contributing to the increase of hemoglobin. So, did you like the recipe? Make it, try it, and share your opinion with us.